my angels, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yeah, I guess this is a vlog, I don't know. So I started to begin another vlog today. Today is currently the 7th of August. Yeah, it's the 7th of August 2025, and we're going to be having a busy weekend. I don't know. Yeah, today's a Thursday. Tomorrow I have my sister is not here yet. My sister is at work, but she'll be coming home soon. But I was like, let me start this vlog before it gets late. Yeah, so today you won't be seeing anything much. I just wanted to start the video. So tomorrow I'll be going to work. Tomorrow is the 8th. It's a Friday, so we're supposed to go to the farm this weekend. Hey, there's a little project that we're doing, so we wanted to go see that and my sister. So yeah, so tomorrow I have work. I'm a realtor, guys, so tomorrow I'll be seeing some houses, and then I don't know, we'll go where the wind blows, where houses blow. So yeah, so what else? Then Saturday in the morning we're going to the farm, and then we'll be coming back on Sunday. So I don't know, maybe this might be a few days or a weekly vlog. We'll see that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to make an intro. Like I said, I'm currently cooking, that's why I'm in the kitchen. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please take us to 1K, guys. Please take us to 1K. We know that we've been slacking. The thing is, wait a minute. The thing is, there's nothing much to do. I don't know, and we're always busy all the time. So sometimes we just don't like repetitive content. So I don't know, we'll see, but we're just trying to get the hang of it. We'll see how it goes. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, see you soon. Bye. Good morning, sir. You guys are always wondering, oh, the light is too much, but you'll forgive me. I'm sure you guys are probably wondering why my sister is never in these videos. She's there, guys. You'll see her. I quickly wanted to say hi. Today's the 8th of August. It's a Friday, so I'm ready for work actually. So my sister's bathing. I think she'll talk to you guys a bit later. Yeah, so I'm ready for work, guys. I don't know if you guys won't be able to see my OOTD, but I'm just wearing a turtleneck, like a loose track, I don't know, trouser, and then just my sneakers. I'll be taking my coat on top. So yeah, we have a few appointments today, so let's see what we can get up to. Yeah, in the meanwhile, this is what my sister is doing. Guys, I know that this is a weird angle, but I totally forgot I'm vlogging. Ooh, the light. Yeah, I totally forgot I'm vlogging, but I'm currently fixing, preparing a lease for a client, and then, well, fixing, and then we're currently in Marabula. My colleague is dropping his PS5, yo guys, and then from here we're supposed to go to G North, and what? Yeah, guys, I'll see you guys when I'm free, when I'm not doing anything, okay? Yeah. What a hi, Chomi.
What am I missing? Always taking notes every time I try with a nigga. I just don't want to take on. What am I missing? Same like game one from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me out the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing. Love is a losing game, and I just can't take no more. Love is a losing.
Hi guys, so just an update. We're currently in block 7. We're just helping a client. Yeah, my colleague is doing that. Yo guys, I had a lot of paperwork to do. That's why I was on my laptop the most of the time. How about guys, my phone is overheating and the storage, so that's why like you guys are not getting any update or seeing anything. Yeah, but from here I don't know what we're doing. I don't know where we're hey guys, get me a camera. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what's the update from here, but if my phone is not acting up, you'll be able to see the rest of this day. But if not, then I don't know. And I hope my sister is vlogging wherever she is. So deuces. Hi guys, don't mind my pale face. I just finished bathing, so right now I'm doing the dishes. I'm about to go to work in like 2 hours, but I'm cooking. There's a pot over there. I'm cooking because my parents are going to the farm today. It's a Friday. It's the 8th of August. Yeah. So I'm going to do the dishes now, and then after I'm done with the dishes, I think I'm going to get ready while I wait for the meat to cook. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna finish with cooking the meat, and then I'll leave the house at around 12 or like 10 minutes to 12, because on Fridays taxis are very hard to find. They take so long, so maybe I'll leave 10 minutes before 12. I gotta keep for now, like I'm a temporary super pedestrian for now. So yeah guys, see you later. Today. So this is outfit of the day. It's just a calm tracksuit brown jacket. Inside I'm wearing this. So yeah, I'm gonna leave for work. My black bag, I'm gonna leave for work right now. So yeah, my little kitty down there, I think you can see her. That's her name is, what's her name, Emma. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day and Crocs. That's it guys. My work is very flexible for me to be wearing this every single day. So yeah. Ghetto. Guys, we came to the farm. So we have that. And I keep on one. Yeah, that's why they can't matter cooking. Shandy mama, yeah, yeah, what's saying? Yeah. Santi mainarado. Stretch. Yeah. Yeah. Mohakamula. Bona hermana ko wa tsameka go ora ro tata o ka ye tamba e thawane padlock are go tswa ke Borgo ba go botshikile yana mma. Borgo ba go botshikile yana. Ware? Sala ya. Kita ni mo yan.
Kitchen. 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 Hore babu ko tiri saka mara. Guys, why are you following us? Guys, why are you following us?
think
Oh my god. Guys, kita udah juga.
Malah sih kita bisa kan. Kan semua hadiah. Kan kita pegang ini dia. Kan kayak apa ya?
Ne ngwe kanna ka e kanna kana ke steletse kwa
Sulle
engwe ka ba mota fule bere ba engwe se sengwe se pilo tabe ile enough ku siamba bono riane nakwet yene zebe
Efugara isibila la.
I know, máximo kusia.
guys nakwet
Ya. Majarna ubalep.
ndishi ngiba maroba hadibo
Yes, it is. Oza. Oh, matala. Hey. Thumbnail. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
if you're welcome
I forgot. If you're welcome,
no it's fine
whatever.
Hi guys.
So today's a brand new day. It is a Is it 20? No, it's fine. Is
It's the 28th. Mama wa tena. Today. Where is the 23rd of August? Yo. You want it? No, you want 23. I can time. Okay, let's switch cameras.
Yeah.
Okay. Arrived. Arrived in games, but Seabe. We've arrived in game. We've arrived in Game City. So we So guys, we're currently more exact because like we're looking for an orange outfit because we have like a bridal shower. Oh, that's nice. No, that's nice. Well, bridal shower to attend. So how the filming orange? That's why like we're looking for like orange stuff. Yeah. So I won't be vlogging much, guys, because the shop we're doing all. So we'll see you guys later. Sometimes when I was gonna go like later shoe fix. I can show it do it now. What? It's comfortable for church. It's so comfortable for church. Because I'm supposed to see it. Guys, one thing about Legit, it has nice shoes, nice pockets. I think these are not bad as well. These are not bad as well. These are white. These are brown again. Yes. These are nice. Guys, this came in Game City and we didn't know, hey? But that was it's because we are shocked. No, I can go to Hulu Bakariti Lequano. There, it's like 75. I'm so happy. Bathroom break. Huh? Yo guys, we're currently in Airport Junction because we can't find anything orange anywhere. So right now we're checking my cotton on, but right now my cotton on had 700. Yeah, we'll talk 700 for a dress. And it makes sense to find like a one piece outfit. But anyway, we'll update you guys. Oh, genial job. Hi guys, unfortunately Ramos Saming, so like I said, unfortunately Hey guys,
so we just got home.
Let's talk about the orange.
Yeah, but we'll search another time.
Yeah, but I very double because we couldn't find anything orange. We bought Dunked All Star box. Let's show you guys okay. You get the vision. They get the vision, right?
And then it's like a cook. It's
just for it's just 80 milliliters, so we're gonna taste. We've never had it before, so yeah.
We are done. We are done for the day.
Also, he said it's very hard for you to stay active. So we'll see you again
next time when we pick up the camera. Bye.